Hello children, this is class 3 English workbook, Unseen Comprehension. Comprehension of an unseen passage means a complete and thorough understanding of the passage. The main object of comprehension is to test one's ability to grasp the meaning of a given passage and also one's ability to answer in one's own words the question based on passage. This is done to inculcate thinking skills in student. इस तरह की कॉम्प्रिहेंशन देने का मुख्य उद्देश्य है कि आपके समझने की क्षमता एवं समझ के उत्तर देने की क्षमता की जांच की जा सके। इस तरह की कॉम्प्रिहेंशन बनाने से आपकी सोचने की क्षमता का विकास होता है। Now I am reading this passage for you. Understand it nicely, then give the answer to the question. Here Rajan Popat wanted a pet. He was not sure what his parents would think of his idea. One evening, he went to the sitting room. Rajan's father was reading the newspaper. His mother was watching television. Rajan coughed loudly to attract their attention. Rajan's parents looked at each other, then they looked at Rajan. "Dad, Mom," said Rajan, "I would like to keep a pet." "Oh yes," said Mr. Popat. "What kind of pet?" asked Mrs. Popat. That's the problem," said Rajan. "I want a pet, but I don't know what kind. Keeping a pet is not an easy job, warned Mr. Popat. "Yes," agreed Mrs. Popat. "You will have to look after it and care for it. And it will cost a lot of money," drawled Mr. Popat. "What do you want a pet for?" "I have no one to play with at home." राजन पोपट को एक पेट चाहिए, पर वो नहीं जानता कि उसके पेरेंट्स उसके विचार से सहमत होंगे कि नहीं। एक शाम जब राजन के पिताजी न्यूज़पेपर और माँ टीवी देख रहे थे तो राजन कमरे में खांसते हुए आया। राजन ने कहा, "मुझे एक पेट रखना है।" इस पर पिताजी ने कहा कि किस तरह का पेट? राजन ने कहा, "यही तो मुश्किल है, मुझे नहीं मालूम कि मुझे किस तरह का पेट लेना चाहिए।" पिताजी ने कहा, "पेट रखना कोई आसान काम नहीं होता, तुम्हें इसकी पूरी देखभाल करनी होगी और उसकी कीमत भी बहुत होगी। तुम्हें यह किस लिए चाहिए?" इस पर राजन ने कहा, "घर में मेरे साथ खेलने वाला कोई नहीं है, एक पेट मेरा अच्छा साथी हो सकता है।" "Well, I think it's a good idea," said Mrs. Popat. "You must think about this carefully," said Mr. Popat, looking serious. "I will agree only if you show me that you have thought about the subject." Rajan took a sheet of paper out of his pocket. He handed it to his father. "I have thought about it," said Rajan. "I found some useful information on the internet. Look at the list I made. But I want your help to decide. Should I keep a dog or a cat?" "A cat is less trouble," said Mrs. Popat. "It will make a lot of noise," said Mr. Popat, and made noises like a cat. "Mew mew." "Stop this awful noise at once, Satan," said Mrs. Popat to her husband. "See what I mean," replied Mr. Popat. "At least a dog making such a noise would keep the house safe." "I thought dogs barked," said Rajan, making a joke. "Woof woof, very funny," said Mr. Popat. "The best idea is for us all to think about your question, Rajan," said Mrs. Popat. "We can decide in the morning." "हाँ, मेरी समझ से ये एक अच्छा आइडिया है," माँ ने कहा। "ठीक है, तुम इस पर अच्छे से विचार करो," पिताजी ने कहा। राजन ने अपने पॉकेट से एक कागज़ निकालकर पिताजी को दिया और कहा कि मैंने नेट से ज़रूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन निकाल लिया है और अब आप बताइए कि मैं डॉग रखूं या कैट। इस पर सभी ने कहा कि कैट बहुत नॉइज़ करेगा, पर डॉग के नॉइज़ से घर सेफ रहेगा। सभी ने कहा कि वे इस पर सोचेंगे और सुबह निर्णय करेंगे कि उन्हें क्या लेना है। नाउ ट्राई टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस।